a guide to using the Hydrajaw's M35 Plus pull tester. The starting position of the pull tester is very important. If you don't have it in the correct position, you will not be able to use it properly. Set the operating nut to the start position, indicated by a thin green and majority red line. You may need to rewind the operating handwheel to get to the correct starting position. Next, apply a preload on the drop rod handwheel until a load of up to 0.4 kilonewtons is displayed on the gauge. Then, using the operating handwheel, start applying a load to your fixing until the required test load is reached. Higher loads will need a ratchet driver. In this instance, we take the load up to 6.3 kilonewtons. When testing is complete, turn the handwheel or ratchet driver anti-clockwise to return to the start position. Then release the preload from the drop rod handwheel to return to a 0 reading. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching.